kawei ke isu biya nga kerteng lomba dari banyo Chief Minister Khasi haga jelam ikla jongi ya kaniru ni haban respect ya ka mandate jongi ba piong na Karu Hills piong na Khasi Hills piong na Jaide Hills ni haban respect ya ka ek mandate bau ba lai tin rei ba pin kni jubor pa ya kata ka hok jong ki ba kinong tebu ngatrai kalong ke ka bom internet lakom nuruk kini ke de ban sanga bat nila ai ko da ka batenge bakal lo ka an ke de ban sim khia ye kini ke ba kanung don ka jing thut kanung don ka lo ona da bat kanung don lu ka jing sim ka bu hang li hang tai tina ka liang jong ka parti ka bangakwa ban pensyai ki ba jong jelam ikla barok wi ngim dei ban long komunal Chief Minister lo denas napo garone na Khasi na jantia rei udei hi unong de kalaya kata ke jing ong bakwa na kaliang jogi Khasi ka ban kong ka bangan kwa ban pensyai hang ni lo ipai ba kim dei ban sung thu bakla ki sung thu ba ma ki bat utu u MLA bat ki la dejit bat kam dei ban don kanu kono ka force ka ban le plumar na ka banta ka jing thaw yu ka sorkar kani ka jia na marba ka don ka jing thmu na ka banta ban ong ban le jubor le ban tan jubor na ka banta ban thaw ya ka government tina kaliang jong ka parti na kaliang jongi ya kani ni condemn ba mbit ban le da kani ka dur da kani ka ganti na mar ba phipun plumar ki ya pa ba joka jela ba ka wei ka isu ya nga kerteng lomba dei ban yo Chief Minister Khasi haga jela mikla jongi ya kaniru ni haban respect ya ka mandate jongi ba piong na Karu Hills piong na Khasi Hills piong na Jaide Hills ni haban respect ya ka ek mandate bau ba lai tin rei ba pin kni jubor pa ya kata ka hok jong ki ba kinong tebu ngatrai kalong ke ka bom internet lakom nuruk kini ke de ban sanga bat nila ai ko da ka batenge bakal lo ka an ke de ban sim khia ye kini ke ba kanung don ka jing thut kanung don ka lo ona da bat kanung don lu ka jing sim ka bu hang li hang tai tina ka liang jong ka parti ka bangakwa ban pensyai ki ba jong jelam ikla barok wi ngim dei ban long komunal Chief Minister lo denas napo garone na Khasi na jantia rei udei hi unong de kalaya kata ke jing ong bakwa na kaliang jogi Khasi ka ban kong ka bangan kwa ban pensyai hang ni lo kat banang ong kong ta ngi nang ya pai cheni ni don lai pun rusi di parti nang mi chenang ni habaki snow long concern hodu kata kita giseng balang kum ka hitu kum ka kawei ka de hitu bat ka baar ka de ka HYC nga so bon ong balay kim sim kia haswa ka election pensyai ki ba dir pensyai ki parti dui khot lang yaki ba kila ban lesi ban ya join lang le ban don tang kawei ka parti rei andal ade election ki persang ban pensutu bakla ngasutu bikin don kata ke meeting kap ngasutu kan don kata ke ba ke movement ke jogi hakaba kani barok kade tang ke jing pen thami tang ke jing sim kabu na kamenta ka interest jong nore jong lane jong ka nore kanu ka political party ngakren na ba syai ko ngopi namar kim dei su kisen balang na thik kum ki dei ki political wing jong ki party ki nore ki political party ki ba don hang ni hapo mekala
PDP has extended support besides the two independent and the BJP. Are there any more MLAs from other parties who have
let
or
me
in
just
touch?
let me tell you one thing. Right now we have not less than 32, and that we will prove it because on the 7th we are going to go for the swearing in ceremony, and then we are also reaching out to other parties. I don't need to name right now, but we are reaching out to them also. We are in talk. Even this moment, we are in talk with every concerned political party.
So can you please give us some details about the swearing in ceremony?
No details will be known. We will send it. It seems that was their agenda. It seems they want Chief Minister from Khasi Jaintia, but that is not the only criteria where you need to decide. Let us see the fractured mandate here in Khasi Jaintia. We have how many parties? We need to know that. And then some party they got 2 seat, some party got 2 seat, again some parties got 5, 4, like that. So I think that is not the way of thinking. But you need to also respect one thing. We are the single largest. NPP got 26. So why don't you respect the decision taken by the elected representative of the party? Because we already elected Konrad Sama to be the chief minister, again to become the chief minister for the next 5 years. So it seems these people, they got mad on that. But my clarification on this is, if you want that, why not you come only in one party? Let one party set up the candidate. This side you have 36, you may win 32, you may win 33, then you claim and form the government. I think that is very clear. But now you can't do like this. How can you just force bringing two MLAs from one party, 5 MLAs from one party, or 4 MLAs from one party? How can you forcefully ask them to form the government just because we want chief minister from Khasi? I think that is totally wrong. That's what I'm saying. Certain certain conditions are there where we need to respect and we need to also follow, because without that I think the democracy is gone. So therefore my appeal to all the citizens of the state, don't listen to this kind of misleading activities done by few groups of people to disturb even the peace, tranquility that we have in Shillong city as well as in the state as a whole.
So apart